and welcome to Eva's Vegan Kitchen. Thank you for tuning in. Today we have a special video. It's an additional video to my weekly recipes. And today I have a lovely guest with me from Sweden.
Hi guys, my name is Alexandra and some of you maybe know me from my Instagram 5sec Health. And today I'm on Cyprus and I'm so happy to be joining Eva's Vegan Kitchen to show some easy vegan travel recipes.
Today's video we're gonna show you 3 recipes for traveling, and I used the chance to have a pro in my kitchen. Alexandra also travels a lot and knows the struggles when you're vegan and you're on the plane or you do a long road trip that you have to be prepared, and now we're gonna share some tips and recipes with you so you can also be prepared when you have a long trip ahead. The first recipe we are gonna do is, if you're traveling in the early morning and you don't have time, then you can make overnight oats. So that's a recipe that's very easy. You probably have everything in your pantry and in your freezer. So we're gonna use oats from the pantry and chia seeds, and then for the fruity touch we're gonna add frozen blueberries.
So for the second recipe we're gonna make a vegan tuna salad, and you can actually find the recipe in my app, find on App Store. If you don't have an iPhone you can also find the recipe on my Instagram. So you can use this vegan tuna salad for either a cold pasta salad or a sandwich. And this is perfect for lunch or dinner when you're traveling because you don't need to heat it up, and it's delicious when it's cold. A bowl, and preferably you want to mash the chickpeas before you add anything else so that you don't mash up the pickles and onion and stuff. So now I'm gonna add half of it to some pasta to make a cold pasta salad, and I'm gonna add half of it to a sandwich.
The last recipe we do is an Italian tofu scramble wrap. So we have some scrambled tofu with dried tomatoes, and then we add it in a wrap and put some avocado on it for some healthy fats, and then you can just take it in a container and take with you the next day. Now we actually prepared 4 recipes, 2 for breakfast. We have overnight oats and scrambled tofu wrap, and 2 for lunch and dinner, a sandwich with a tuna sandwich and also a tuna pasta salad. We want to give you some more tips what you can do to travel more prepared. And actually, when I started going vegan, I used to not to prepare when I travel, and most of the time when I was flying, I was longer on the way than I thought I was gonna be, and then I was always hangry getting out of the plane. And so to not get hangry, I think the biggest tip would be to be prepared, to take food with you, and if you go on a road trip, I think Alexandra has a very good tip for you.
Yeah, so just as Eva said, you should be prepared, and I always like to use the app or the website Happy Cow. It's free to use and it's free to download, so you can search for vegetarian or vegan places, because the vegetarian places often has something vegan. Don't find anything on the Happy Cow website or app. You can also use Google Maps to search for vegan restaurants or vegetarian restaurants. And these tools are great if you know where you're going, because you can search on the area you're going to. And of course you can also prep the food before you're going, so that you are all safe and you're prepared.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got a lot of inspiration and tips for your next trip. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe so we know that you like the content, and also head on over to Alexandra's channel and check out her wonderful recipes. I especially like the ice cream recipes. I will link the channel in the description below.
Yeah, thank you and bye!
See you next time.